Hi guys, back again to the channel. Moody Cars back again with you. And finally, today we're gonna open some parts I ordered. I think I mentioned it in the last video, before the first video I think, or one of the video, I don't know which one of them. And some product I ordered special just for this car. Let's open the boxes together and see what did we got. Now we're gonna open the first one. Let's see what did we got. I think, I know what I did got. It's a special cleaning. Also, it's from this company. I'm working with a guy who recommend most of these stuff to me. Microfiber. And the other one, I think I know what's inside this bag. I closed it, I'm sorry. I have a guess, what did I order? Yep. Holy. Now it's the most important box. Really, this is the one I'm dying to open. Most of the people know this car needs a special stuff. So the first thing, it's a complete kit for the gas tank. It's like whole assembly. This is the first one. I think also this thing is for the gas tank. Yep, it's a fuel filter to put above the gas tank. Most of these stuff like gasket, nice cool looking stuff for the lights. This one is lubricated. Special one also for the distributor, and this one also for the speedometer. Oh, it's open for the speed. And this one is, it's an oil filter cap. But the most important thing about the oil filter cap in this one, guys, is shine. And this one, oh, this one is original from the company. This one is the car seat mounting. One of the video you're gonna see what I'm speaking about this one, and I'm gonna replace it with you guys also. And I ordered two of them, because every kit have one seat. And this one just a relay for the flasher because it's upgraded. Oh, someone opened this one also. Why they open this stuff? Ouch! A shiny cap for the fuel. Mine is really bad. And this one is a rebuild kit for the car. I needed it. Mine is leaking. And this one is a neck for the radiator because mine is shorted. And this is a special bolt for the radiator. They say to replace it after you take them out. And these two special bolts, let me open it in a good way just in case. The front blade for this car, it's need two special bolts. You can't it's attached to the bar with the headlight. And this is the kit for them. I don't know if you can see them, but it's a special one also. It's most of the stuff here, it's like I said to you before, it's a special stuff. And this one, also another shiny stuff. Let me see, just check. Yes, because one of them came with the license plate light and the other one without the license plate light. And this is a special kit, a special gasket also for the headlight, and this is another filter for the car. And these, I think, yes, these two bolts for the car to replace, and this one a gasket for the radiator. And this is the other gasket. You know, or something. Yeah, and this one is ignition blade switch. It's on and off. Mine is shorted. You can't see them, but I will show it to you later. And I think I have, oh, this is a gun, a grease fitting. These cars have a special gun grease fitting, and I ordered one. All of these are products from this company. And the last thing here is the transmission oil. It's like a special, like 600 weight oil, and also it's from the company, and it's 600 weight oil. And I think that's it for this stuff. This is the other box. Another product from Sonax. We get a special thing. Just all of these stuff I order special for this car. Like this one, it's for these two products. It's a special foam. And this one is like to remove the bug from the front of the light. And this is a couple of microfiber stuff. I don't have them, I ordered them. The last box. This also another couple of products from Sonax. This is a special microfiber for polishing, and this is a pad for one of these products. The other pad I didn't get, I don't know why. And this for the smell for the car, and this is to shine the interior. And this is just like a product to clean the wheels, but it's like professional one. This is the most important thing. I'm gonna these three products, it's gonna have a special video for the three of them, because that's the big thing for the car. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the other video.